As cars got safer inside, engineers turned to preventing crashes altogether. Lane Departure Warning, LDW, uses cameras to monitor lane markings, alerting you if you drift without signaling. Warnings can be beeps, dashboard alerts, or vibrations in the steering wheel or seat. Intuitive nudges to keep you centered. Lane Keep Assist takes it further, gently steering you back if you stray. These systems reduce accidents caused by distraction or fatigue, acting as a digital co-pilot. They lighten the mental load on long drives and provide a crucial safety net. LDW and Lane Keep Assist are now common, making roads safer for everyone. It's a simple idea with a huge impact. Traditional cruise control was great, until you hit traffic. Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, uses radar and cameras to maintain a set distance from the car ahead, automatically adjusting your speed. Set your speed and following distance. The car handles the rest, braking and accelerating as needed. Advanced ACC systems even handle stop-and-go traffic, bringing the car to a halt and moving again automatically. This takes the stress out of motorway driving and traffic jams, letting you focus on steering and awareness. ACC is a major step towards safer, more relaxed journeys. Once you've used it, it's hard to go back. It's not just convenience, it's a real safety upgrade. ACC is paving the way for even more advanced driver assistance. The future of driving is already here.